Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CircleCI for automated builds and deployments, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a CircleCI account if you haven't already. Go to the CircleCI website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using GitHub or Bitbucket. Select your preferred version control system and authorize CircleCI to access your repositories. After logging in, you will see the CircleCI dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Add Projects tab. Locate the repository you want to set up for automated builds and click on Set Up Project. Choose a configuration method for your project. You can either use the default configuration or provide a custom config file. For most users, the easiest option is to start with the default configuration. Once selected, CircleCI will generate a basic configuration file named .circleci/config.yml. You can find this file in the root of your repository. Next, customize the config file according to your project needs. Define the jobs you'll need to run, such as build, test, and deploy. Make sure to specify the Docker image or executor that suits your project's environment. After editing the configuration, commit and push the changes to your repository. Go back to your CircleCI dashboard. You should see the pipeline triggered automatically based on your commit. Monitor the progress of your pipeline in real time on the dashboard. Review the logs for each job to ensure everything runs smoothly. If any job fails, investigate the logs for errors and make necessary adjustments. Once your builds pass successfully, you can set up deployment steps. Add a deployment job to your .circleci/config.yml. Specify your deployment parameters and environment settings. Make sure to include deployment keys or tokens securely. After configuring the deployment, commit the changes again. Return to CircleCI to observe the new deployment process in action. Verify that your application is deployed correctly in the target environment. You have now successfully set up CircleCI for automated builds and deployments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.